Gold catcher, centrifugal concentrator. The gold catcher is a centrifugal concentrator that is used to recover both fine and coarse gold. It is made of polyplastic and fiberglass components, which can be used extensively for long life of the equipment, a lower fabrication cost, and is corrosion resistant. Gold catchers can be used to process a maximum of 3 tons of material per hour. This equipment can efficiently recover gold within the range of 10 millimeters to 10 micrometers. It is very robust, and it can be used in small and medium scale mining, either as a single unit or 2 or more units can be used in series to form a circuit. Gold catchers are low-cost centrifugal concentrators and cost $3,200 or approximately 700,000 Guyana dollars. Application of the gold catcher. A gold catcher can be utilized by 1. An artisanal miner or poke knocker who manually feeds the equipment. 2. In circuit by miners, using equipment such as crushers, mills, and screens along with 2 or more units to process material directly from the pit. 3. In circuit by miners, using 2 or more units to process the tailings that comes off of a sluice box. 4. As a final concentrator to further concentrate the gold and black sands that they obtain from washing down their sluice box. Operation of the gold catcher. The gold catcher is easy to operate and does not require any intense technical training by the operator. It simply utilizes 1. A generator to supply power to the equipment. 2. A water pump to supply water to the catcher. 3. A pre-screening mechanism to prevent clogging of the openings, as the gold catcher only works with ore material that are smaller than 3 millimeters. 4. The gold catcher unit. 5. A gold master sluice. This has been a product of the Mineral Processing Unit of the Mines Division, Guyana Geology and Mines Commission, Upper Brick Dam, Georgetown. For more information, you can call us on 592-225-6691 or 592-225-2862, extension 292 or 329, or visit us at our head office.